All employers in Hong Kong, my name is Jeremy B. Lapis from Philippines. I am 34 years old. I am a single mother with 2 children, age of 16 and 15. I am the eldest in the family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am a vocational graduate of HRM. I am a domestic helper in Hong Kong 3 years and 6 months. I serve 4 family members, 2 adults, 1 child, and 1 newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities was do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing their clothes, and marketing, taking care of newborn baby, change diaper, bath, and feed the newborn baby. To my future employer, please select me because I am hardworking, honest, patient, cheerful, and trustworthy. And I will do my very best for my duties and responsibilities. You can also expect me to love and treat your kids as my own. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I hope to work with your family soon. God bless. Thank you. Bye.